first step I did was crack the 8 eggs and place it into a large bowl. So I've cut up 4 bagels into bite-sized pieces. I buttered the casserole dish. Then I'm going to place the chopped bagels into the casserole dish. I'm going to add the 1 cup of milk to the egg mixture. I'll add 2 cups of 35% cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I'm going to begin mixing the ingredients all together. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Stir it up. I'm going to cover it and place it in the fridge overnight. I'm going to also make my crumble tonight in preparation for tomorrow. I cut up about 2 tablespoons of cold butter and place it in a bowl. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. These are the supplies you need for making your crumble. To make the crumble, because it's cold butter and some flour and spices, I like to just use my hands to push it all together. You're going to have little pieces of butter still together like this, and that's ideal. That's what you want. I'm just going to cover with some plastic wrap and place in the fridge overnight. Good morning. This is what the casserole looks like after it's been sitting in the fridge all night. Still lots of liquid. Okay. And I'm going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Remember to take the crumble out of the fridge, mix it up a bit, and then dump it over top. Place the cover. I like to put it on a cookie rack so there's no spill inside my oven. Serve with berries and add a little bit of maple syrup to it. Enjoy!